I hope they work. I don't know. It's gonna look kind of awkward in there. Look at the normal light bulb compared to these. They're as big as my thumb. So they're pretty big. Let's install them. They should be pretty easy. These light bulbs are pretty easy to replace, thank God. And as you can see, the LED light bulbs are pretty big. They're as big as my thumb. Okay, they look small and they're easy to replace. All you gotta do is pop this open here, and it's right beneath this light. And if you want to put an LED here, you can too. We'll see what happens. Here it is. So here's so compare the LED to the regular light bulb, and you can see the LED are a lot bigger, heavier, feel a lot heavier. So hopefully they work and I don't burn my vehicle down. Let's go. So here's a better view of the LED on your right and the regular light bulb, yellowish kind of light bulb here, which at BMW costs like $40. So if you're looking to replace. But so I'm gonna try this LED light and see how it works. Hopefully it fits. Okay, we got the first one in. Hopefully it works. Okay. Alright, so we got our LEDs in. We'll see if there's a check engine light on or anything. Come on, you son. Alright, so we're gonna see if the first thing I want to do is really check if there's any check engine signals. Alright, so we're gonna check the status here. See if there's issues with the new light bulbs I have. Door open. So we're good. Everything looks fine. Let's go see how they look. So you can't really see on video. On video it looks like they're blinking. They look like they're blinking, but they're really not blinking. They are beautiful. Man, I am telling you, I am impressed. I am happy with these lights. So you can't really see on video. On video it looks like they're blinking. They look like they're blinking, but they're really not blinking. They are beautiful. Man, I am telling you, I am impressed. I am happy with these lights. They are so sharp. I'm not even kidding. I don't know why the video is doing it. I guess it's LED. But those are beautiful. Hell yeah. If you're really considering getting LED lights, do it. Get yourself some LED light bulbs. They are amazing. You're not going to regret it. Unless you're driving a really old beater like a Geo Metro, or you're a kid, you just want to do it for fun, and you know, you want to put a short shifter in, and you want to put an air intake, and you want to put some rims on it, whatever, or spray your rims with something. Do it just for fun. But LED light bulbs are amazing. The look, wow. Especially if you're driving a newer car. I'm driving a newer car. Mine's the 2014, right? And that's just before the LED era, right? So I still have the old light bulbs, and you know, and the look, I replaced them and they look beautiful. So I recommend, if you're driving, if you got an older vehicle and you want to update, do it. Peace.